Good day, Good Samaritan Colleges. My name is Claudine Jacinto and I am an English major from the College of Education, Arts and Sciences at Good Samaritan Colleges. I am flexible, hardworking, and passionate individual who is eager to learn and grow both personally and professionally. Despite facing different challenges as a transfer student here at GSC, I continue to work hard and successfully maintain my grades and a good grades and a positive attitude throughout my studies. So, because of that experience, helped me become more resilient, patient, and determined in achieving my goals. So I enjoy teaching, communicating with the other people, especially to my students, how I help them, and in meaningful ways, of course. In the future, I hope to become a licensed professional teacher and gain teaching experience abroad to further achieve my goal in career growth. So, during my teaching internship at Eastern Cabur National High School, I always do the spelling exercise for my students to improve their vocabulary when it comes to English. Their spellings, their reading habits, it is always or during our time, during our meeting in the subject. That's why, because in that ways, my student is uh, critically and totally helped because of that exercise in every meeting. So, my teaching philosophy is to center in creating a positive and a supportive learning environment where students feel encouraged to participate, express themselves, and improve their skills confidently. So, as an English teacher or as an English major here at GSC, I teach through interactive activities. Sometimes it is differentiated activities, but I always do the reading, writing, and communication exercises that strengthen students' English proficiency, just like what I mentioned earlier, that we do exercises during our meeting, while also encouraging them to value and respect their mother tongue, cultures, and of course the identity. So despite the challenges I faced throughout my journey, I remain determined and committed to achieving my goals. That's why I am here today and now a fresh graduate rather. And I believe this experience helped me become more compassionate, resilient, and prepared to inspire a future learner. So thank you and have a great day.